Well, Dr. Quinn, many health policy experts are predicting that vaccine mandates for COVID-19 for the vaccine will possibly be instituted and enforced by local government and/or employers. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, I've had a lot of patients to ask me this because they're very concerned. A lot of patients are concerned that the vaccines might not be safe. They're worried about side effects. And they've asked me, they said, they've asked me many times, is this something that might be mandated? So I contacted a lot of my attorney colleagues, done a lot of research, and overwhelmingly the answer is there's a strong possibility that if an employer decides that they want to make it a mandate that their employees receive this vaccine, they can do this. And if an employee has a problem with it, they can take them to court. But unless they have some very specific special circumstances, they probably won't win.
And we've been reporting local and national skepticism among people who are concerned about side effects from the vaccinations and how effective these will be. What is your response to the growing concerns?
Well, what I do is I attempt to really work hard to educate my patients about the side effects, which have overwhelmingly been just headaches, some fatigue, some fever, some chills, muscle pain. These are the most common side effects. But what I reassure my patients is this is basically your body's building up of the immune system so you have a better chance of fighting off the virus if you come into contact with it. Basically, they use technology with messenger RNA, and your body produces the antibodies against the proteins that are produced, which are the spike proteins on the virus that allow the virus to attach to and enter the human cells. So there are some side effects that are being reported, but the good news is there's not been anyone reported to have serious adverse reactions, especially nobody's lost their lives. But if you get this vaccine, you have a 95% chance where you can fight the virus off, because the side effect of getting COVID-19 for some people, unfortunately, is losing their life.
And just remind people again what they should expect in terms of side effects.
Well, the side effects that are being reported in the studies include mild to moderate headaches, body aches, fevers and chills for some, and some can have. It is usually with the second shot. There are two shots you have to get 3 weeks apart with the Pfizer vaccine. But most of the individuals that have had these side effects report that they subside in about a 24-hour period. So it's a little discomfort, but with a 95% protection rate, I say the benefit definitely outweighs the risk.
All right, Dr. Quinn, thank you so much for weighing in on this topic that we're staying on top of.